Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into how effortlessly the S10 Framework Tool turns a simple SAP table into a fully functional application. First up, let's pick an SAP table. We're going with SBOOK, a classic example packed with flight booking data. This table's got quite a hefty load of entries, but you'll be amazed by its zippy performance. Now, we pop the name of our SAP table into the generator. Here's where the magic happens, selecting fields and tweaking a few properties for each. And now, the moment of truth, let's hit that generate button. Voila! Our application is ready to roll. Let's fire it up and see it in action. Check this out, even the free text search is lightning fast.